Hi guys, my name is Huda and welcome to my channel. For today's video, guys, I will try the Huda Beauty Petite Palette. This is the Ruby Obsessions from Huda Beauty. Look at those colors, guys. Look at them. It's so pretty, and I really don't know which kind of eye look I will come through, but I don't care because the only thing I want to do is to play with this palette right now. And also I will try a new foundation today, the Catrice foundation. This is a drugstore foundation, guys. This is the pale shade they got in the store. I don't know if it will match with me. I tried it on my hand. I'm a little bit afraid that it's a little bit yellowy, but anyway, I will make it work. I don't know how, but it will work. It will work, sorry. So, jump to the video. So, since it's cold and my skin is really dry, I go with this primer. This is Prep and Prime from MAC. Natural Radiance primer, because I feel my skin really dry, so I go with 2 pumps of this. This is what I like to do. Always start with my face. To let the primer set in my face. Oh, sorry, my brows are already done. We are going to the star of the show, the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsession palette. Yes, let's go. So afraid because I really don't know which eye look I'm gonna do, but just do it. First, I need to prime my eyelid as usually, the MAC Soft Tint. Guys, I'm sure it's Paint Soft, sorry. Paint Soft. I think I will start gently with this color here. Okay, it's pigmented. It's pigmented. So guys, this is the eye look I come with. I really like it. By the way, I got some issue with one shade. I didn't play with all the shades. I need to play with it once again. But with this one here, guys, this one, it's a bit difficult to play with. It's really a bit difficult to play with, even with my finger. I don't know, I will try again because it's just first impression, it's just once. I mean, I can judge the shade with just one apply. I mean, I need really to practice and to see. But for the rest, it's really perfect and I really like it. The color is so pigmented, the texture great and easy to blend as usually. I mean, it's not my first time using Huda Beauty eyeshadows. I really like it. Not fall out, not too much. It doesn't bother me personally. So now let's jump to the complexion, and for that I will try this foundation, the Catrice one. I've seen lots of YouTubers talking about, and all of them said, those who have a dry skin and those who have oily skin, they all said that it's a really good drugstore foundation. Let's see, this is light beige in French, and that's why I'm a little bit afraid that it can be a little bit yellowy for me. It's a glassy packaging, guys, for a drugstore foundation. That's really awesome. And it's like a NYX drops one, you know, that I really like. Let's see with this one. 1 drop, 2 drops. Go! Okay, for the color, I think it matches. I mean, yeah, it's okay. With concealer, I will do just half of my face, then you can see maybe the difference. And if you remember, I've used 2 drops in this side because I know that with the Beauty Blender, you know, the difference, just to see coverage. I'm really happy. Please forget my pores. I didn't make a blur primer. I'm sorry, but this is my big pores, as you see. And seriously, guys, I'm impressed because you really don't feel it. You don't feel it at all. It's great. But this is 2 drops. We agree. Let's see with a brush and maybe with 1 drop, because you know why. Because with the drop is with the brush is not the same. It Cosmetics brush, 1 drop, we'll see. I think with the brush 1 drop is okay, I think. Yes, I feel it, I already feel it. This is, I feel like this side is dewy, less than this side, no, more. It's, yeah, this side is less dewy than this side, that's what I feel. And with the brush, in any case, I go back with the sponge, sorry, just for the texture, you know. It covers even my pimple, as you see. It's really full coverage, guys. really good foundation for a drugstore condition. It doesn't cover my freckles, but it doesn't bother me. I mean, it's okay. It's my freckles. See? So I'm impressed. And I agree with the YouTubers, the beauty gurus about this foundation. It's a really good foundation, guys. Concerning the shade, as usually I would like lightest shade than this one, but it's okay. Dark shape because it's really full coverage one and really fair one, and I really like it, so yeah. Like this. Yeah, I feel that it oxidized, sorry. I feel it. Now we fix it. Don't worry. Everything will be fixed with concealer and sponge. And just, you see, and it fixes everything. And I like to make it on my T-zone like this. MAC Skin Finish to fix the rest. Of my face. Contouring today, I will use the Studio Fix Sculpt and Shape Contour Palette from MAC. You see, it's a really good shades. Or not. And for today, something new. Not really new for me, but it's new. I will contour a little bit my nose. Like this. Like this. You see? And I just try to soften a little bit all this ink here. Like this. You see how thin it is? And grab the powder here, like this, and brighten the area. Don't know if you see. For highlighting today, I will use this one. This is the Tarte, the lightest highlighter from both. Normally I use both, I mix both of them normally, but since it's fall season, I mean, I try to just, to be gentle with highlighter, not too much. Cupid's bow, like this. Now, for blush, I will go with this one. This is from Max Factor. Yeah, Max Factor. This is a good one, by the way. Shimmery one. And I will do just a little bit with my favorite brush. This is from Smashbox. And just my cheek. Like this. For the lips, guys, Huda Beauty. It will be my first time using Huda Beauty lipstick. So for contouring, I will use the Giorgio Armani lip pencil. I really like this one because it's a nude one. This is the applicator. I really like this kind of applicator, guys. Really like it. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Look at this. Oh. So guys, this is the final look. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed my first impression of this palette, the Obsession Ruby palette, Ruby Obsession palette from Huda Beauty, and her lipstick. Hope you like this eye look too. So let me know please in the comment box, and yeah, please subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think about this, and big kiss guys. Hope to see you more and more.